Nice carry through the carry. Wonderful stroke. A real nerve settler for Zach Crawley. A classic cover drive opens his account in this Ashes campaign. And he'll feel much better for the result. Edge taking it first. Start. First over again. You can't keep him out of the game. Perfect conditions. And the big left armour delivers once again for his country. Chops it on. It's 2-2 for Stark. Damaging blows right at the start of this, the second test match. The Aussie crowd erupts. The English, they're caught in the headlights. Edson! The fades the slip cordon and goes for 4. Smith lunged across in front of Labuschagne. That's lovely. That's beautifully picked up. This is everything that England have invested in Zach Crawley. He's a natural talent. He's a stroke player. Chases the width and just progresses it through the covers. So the second 4 of the over. Lovely stroke. Played it late. It was always a bit leg side. And he takes the strike as well. So Zach Crawley easy into his work nicely.
There it comes and it flies over the keeper. Oh, there's another boundary. And he...
Nice straight bat. Lovely balance, lovely timing. Shorter boundaries straight down the ground. 4 for Joe Root. And that's the 50 partnership as well for these two. Root advances. That's nice. It's all trying to do the ball and the sort of curve to get him off his knee for a couple of strides from Root. Beautiful time down the ground. Shoulder headers. Glorious strike. Oh, drops. It's have to call it dropped. There was the slightest of chances. That's how Crawley was dismissed in the last test. He's really played a lofted drive off Mitchell Stark. It's nicely placed. Over pitch there from Cam Green. And it races away to the boundary, and it'll be 4 indeed. It's about... there it is, good 50. From Zach Crawley, set tone here today, day 1 of the second test. 4 times done out against Australia, and it'll be a bit of a relief there for Ben Stokes and the England team, but plenty of work to go. It's fine, and 4 for Zach Crawley. Picked it up beautifully. Yeah, down the ground, good shot. Seen it a few times today from Zach Crawley. And another boundary. 8-4 for him this afternoon. Short again, and just rides it nicely. Powerful enough to get to the boundary. Yeah, and they got nicely. So 2 in the over for Crawley. And it's a 100-run partnership. Perfect for England. Australia, good touch. She's watching the ball close and Zach Crawley. It's a number of on drives today. It's always a good sign. Oh, nearly. Was it? It was high up. It was more weak side. No real control from Joe Root. And just for a moment, Alex Carey thought he was in the game. Oh, he's like Australia. It's quite from these up. He gets that quiet waiting for Australia. They've worked hard. He gets rewarded in front of his own crowd. And all the hard work of Zach Crawley comes to a sudden halt. And it was a 3rd wicket. Zach Crawley was 76 and 3 for 122. Uppish with into the gap. Timed nicely. And that looks like it will race all the way to the boundary, so very good. He's just such a natural scorer. Oh, yeah, he bats himself. And punishes Doggett with Harry Brook. Don't look away. What a young superstar, 3 for 133. Oh, yes. How good is that? With courage and conviction. Go with that. Beautifully. Great timing pass, Mitchell Stark. Joe Root, very, very ominous here. Missed 48. Great. Yeah. Right there. And it gets through. And it brings up the 50 for Joe Root. Yeah, gonna like it. An Army. It's the 10th time he's done that in Australia. And yet to go against Australia this well. It's nice. Down the ground. Seen a lot of that today. And that will pick up a bit of pace and get into the road for a boundary. There's a slap. He's got hold of that one. He connects well. It's gone for 4. Edged and out. Just 2 balls into for start. Back on and back in the wickets. Oh, he's a superstar, isn't he? Mitchell Stark. And that's when he does. He comes on, he picks up the wickets. 4th time he's got him in Test cricket. And a loose shot there from Harry Brook, but Mitchell Stark's got 3 for. That's a big wicket. Harry Brook is very, very dangerous. Ball for 176 in 1. Finds the outer part of the bat, but he gets away with it. He didn't go with the full-blooded drive. Soft hands, and he goes for 4. There's moments in the Test match you feel, and Stokes gets it fine. Another boundary, so keeps it ticking away. Into the over 4 for 191. And that is delightful from Stokes. He's not moving anywhere, just lands on it. And that's 200 up for England. Beautifully driven down the ground. Such an elegant player, Joe Root. Timed with the pitch and moves to 77. The ball and Root goes round the Gabba. The English fans love it. 210 for 4. Set back, problem here, leaves in. Brilliant English. The wicketkeeper, no touch, no worry, shows him down. That's the ones the Aussies wanted. The English captain departs in English. English side nearly at you. Josh England is actually a wicketkeeper. He's just right up the England captain. Being coach, England now fight for 210. Bowler! Bowler, Jack right back. Through the stump to Smith. And Australia sold back in the test match. Perfect from Scott Boland. Bales everywhere, and England lose their sixth. And these games change in the blink of an eye. England lose their sixth wicket. Damien Smith without telling the scorers. England are 6 for 211. Rides it and plays it nicely to Root. This gets the scoreboard tipped away again, and Joe Root is in the 80s. This is through the covers here. For Will Jacks. And the boundary is first in Ashes cricket. Nice job he's doing at the moment, Will Jacks. That's caressed beautifully. Very elegant, almost mark ball like that one with boundary. And nice little flow on for England. Partnership up to 24. Takes it on and hits it perfectly into the gap. A commanding stroke, beautifully controlled. Very impressive, this young man. Yeah. And he'll push hard. Oh, scurries to the boundary, so Joe Root goes into the 90s for the first time on Australian soil. Yep, it's it again, the chase on. May well be back-to-back boundaries, it is indeed, Joe Root. It's done, start again, and again, and again. So reliable. Steve Smith, brilliant captaincy. Applause all round, he's such a warrior. Will Jackson looked good. Good for 19. Well, it has to go England 7 to 2-5-1. Backfire, it should get there. Start chase 4, a boundary. The first test century on Australian soil for Joe Root. Century through 12 years in the making. Release for Joe. The innings that's happened only stayed with the entire nation riding on it. It's sort of a test match figure, who knows, maybe the one that we've taken the most. And you can see it to pass out the fans all over the field, and so are the Australians. Continues on his merry way with a touch of class, Joe Root. Another boundary, add to the total. The total that's introducing nicely for England. Somebody left them up. Bruce Atkinson. A very nice shot from him. Checked away. Carey going back. Marnus. Oh, the point, but catch. Wow, and doesn't he put his arm around him? Why would he? That's Carey. He has been outstanding tonight. That is a phenomenal catch. A little sand like it to be Perry Stibbett. There's no balls out there. Who wanted it? And in the end, a big dive from the keeper. Outs 5 wickets for Mitch. 8th time he's done that for Australia. As he holds the ball up, what a hard it's been for him as well. Joe Root 1 minute. Mitch start commenced. Oh, there it is, 6. Good catch, Carey. Starkey does it again. The Aussies on a roll. Stark's got 6, can you believe it? Playing off 7. He knows how Starkey loves these conditions. This is right in his wheelhouse. Mitchell Stark. Wow, 9 down. Well, yep. 4 in the gap. We're all late. Gets it. And gets it a long way back. Oh, that's going out of nowhere. Oh, we can take it up, yeah. It's a hell of a shot. It's hard to pick up the quick ball flying into the night sky. That's up in the air, and that's gone a long way back as well. It's up for Archer. So, ready. Oh, big Joe. There you go. Archer moves around his crease, over pitches, pumps it down the ground. 6. Well, John was putting on a show. He lines it up. Down the ground, 4 more. 300's up for England. They are making hay. Can Joe Root clear the ropes? No, really can. On the reverse. Joe Root goes to 103 out. The skipper loves it. Oh, yeah. He can survive. And he stumps on day 1.
power through it. This is brilliant, Matthew. A couple of times this one. As I said, when he goes, it just starts going out. 4 and 6 for him. And Australians running along now. And again, time as well, race away towards the right line chase. Come back for 3. There's a lot of one so that's another one here. At 50. Up to 10. What? Well, I think that's first up. That is nice to move it. It's quite got to it. 16 was last one. That's Australia. Boris middle. It's caught back, it's catching. It's in boundaries. Boris back from middle. That's class. Time 6. Just play to it and he's flipping up and under. It's a 7 inch middle now. Slow start, Jones, he's going to explode him as well. Straight up in here, should be taken. He's got the flag, does take the catch. It's pass break through, box over. Here, Atkins takes the catch. An unusual full ball. Even if you like to be wicked. They can get the first, that's the big one. Anyone they can get first. Trying to say 1, 2, 3 or 4, 3 minutes. 12 minutes. Oh, good fit. Duck it, pick it up. Reckon it's needed, but it's boundary. Good timing for Martis. It's up a nice boundary. Just slightly over pitch from the next Place the day for take it. Over the top, push up, pays the price. And it's over for the 9. Take away, 50th, take the one. And no time to do this one. Watch over. Try to get right, place it back. And Martis up again. Picks it up, all the best. And then Australia moves it along here. Half audience, that's the outside. Back to back, for Martis. He's the field. This time. And Martis for Australia. Oh, it's gone high there. It's uncomfortable there. It's part of the guy who's not happy is Miles Hampshire, but he's picked up 50 and back to 50 in Perth. And he's happy hunting ground. He wants to go from the big ball into his own ground. Short pull away. Bit of a loose there. And there's an Christmas present for Hampshire. More runs. Only a flying pass. 33 runs on the previous 3 overs and he starts this over by 4. Oh, he's got something right. He adds. That strikes. Breaks the partnership like he always does. Pull that is right on cue. The partnership breaker. Nice long straight innings. Comes to the end. Ball 164-78. Australia now 3 for 196. Too much. And he is obliged. That's nice from Stacey off the back foot. They're under play. Green calls it back from the ball. It's good for Brian. He was a man in short cover left to touch off them. He's interested for Lana. It's classic off the Brian. Sweet off the outside edge. Touch of fortune. That's the right. Gets the gap. 8 metres. Got right through the middle. Chase it on. Got the runs it down. He's the pressure on coming down. It's short. It's the pull away. It's going to move on. Up there, just right check. It wants to get too quick. Oh, missed cue. What's up the move up for? Oh, shot. Oh, shot that is. Brilliant for Smith. I just respond to that time of the shot. He stick to the end, just blind it. That's what you would balls come from. Runs. Just easy away again. Again, it should be over. 2-4-6. Really Smith. Smith. Not through the start. Coming in there for Australia. And there's a flag. Smith just cruising along before the flag. And the other back through. It's ball. Ball straight away. Quick rocket. Just before the start. That's perfect. Pulls it through. And another 50 for the jam. Steve Smith. 67. Into the time. He's now 54 minutes. Desperate. And the start. Well, he doesn't miss well. He's not having any of that short stuff. Bangs it back over to him. Takes down. Off the 6. Off guards. Magic for 4. He's up again. He's got green. He's put the goal comes on as well. Rock ball cricket. Last one short stuff. It's there, touch! Oh, in the right spot. Tommy was getting the boundary. 7-6 for Smith in that region. Oh, so close for him. That's the last steps in. Pass. It's the last laugh. Decides to go a little bit trickery. I think he's thinking his last cycle when he was on. Gabba Green feels himself. Yes to the park. Australia's a fourth wicket. 4 for 2 1 1. Love ball. Fumble. Ben Duckett. Should really be taken. Now teaser. Take him. Brilliant catch pass for the two. Now you're running about England. Ball's open. They're walking through it. Wickets. Smith goes 5 for 292. It's times to settle things. Wickets win. Charge of scary. Slash to the boundary. It's close to 2. Look at that for food. Vincent. Yes. That's too high. That's up for this. Short medium place. Gary takes it on. Once down the line. Easy. Get back for third. 3-2 behind Australia. Wickets. Oh, wow. Very good. Didn't really dive to his right at all. I wondered if he didn't pick it up. Ben Stokes is thinking, and it's not going my way. So I've got 14 Australia. Look at this in that big 10. There's a lot of runs in that area. It's the third man backward point. This whole test match on both sides. Ball's there. Gabba bringing back. Ben Stokes. Got it on his own. I think he did that. Australia 6 for 229. Let's go. Down the ground. That's why I was Australia. I thought Dyson was just going to take the stats there. Full. They're exposed for stops. Sweet time to go out. It's good. Shot catching the ball. He's against himself. I dropped another catch. It's gone down. Well, that's exactly what you're talking about. Pass straight to him. Dropped another one. That was time to go route. He danced. That's number 5 for the innings. Attacking in a hurry. That's better shot. It's top shelf. Now it's Gary. Width. Out of the way. Again, Carl's hasn't seen it. It's more late runs at hand. Enjoy this play. Boys, good. It's such a good play. His forwards. Resolutely. They'll walk the distance and punch. They'll continue by. 49. Was the day for the home side. 6 for 300 City.
Gary Conley just gets better from Australia's edge on starch. Gary receives it. Easy. He's a few steps off distance. He's new. Catch through the carry. Catches that. Opens up the shoulders. Riding past him. Up he goes. And the corner. Beautiful. Edged and got him. Nice back foot punch. Worked me down. Too much work. Very for neutral start. That's not there for start. Centre right. And then some more. Now you're taking it off and line. Off and match it. Shot. Lead 99. Here's you. It's out there. It's not confident. It's not in the face. Up to the outside. Let's start. Takes another few minutes. Over the top. It's big. And it's big enough. Which is fine. It's 50. True thing is, it's hero. Nice. I later found out that people only started doing that because of Lords. Oh, they did triple G. They take it, these fellas. Yep. So, there's a magnificent stroke from Mitchell Stark. He's starting to put on a show. 10th boundary, moved to 61. Catch. Wow, that's just pumped down the ground by Mitchell Stark. And moves into the 70s. It's like a 150. Stark just. Getting back to the full ball. Without money, energy pouch. Just on the energy pouch, so much to talk about. Well, just talks about it, Scrappy. And he's got after anything wider. This one's up in the air, mix up in the field. Taken regardless. England relieved. Stokes has the ball. And Ben Duckett very nearly involved in something of a calamity as far as England are concerned. Giving himself a bit of room here, Brendan Doggett, cracking it away. Can you imagine? Edge gone, and that's the end of the innings. Onto the leg side, flicked away nicely. Whipped away. Lovely shot from Crawley, well timed. Second boundary of the Urge. Duckett off. Hammered it back at the bowler, and Nisa. Well, both sides of the wicket from Michael Nisa. That one swung away down the leg side for 4 byes. In the move to follow from Nisa and punched away through mid-wicket. Dragged back by Scott Boland. Glorious. There is a miss. Once more, into that slot, a big stride and a lovely shot through extra cover for 4. Surely finding them. I think that counts as a ducket leave. Yes, son. There you go, we always come straight through. Boland struts first for Australia. Ducket stays done. He's gone for 15. The pitch, what a good length. Just a little bit leg side-ish and Pope whips it away. Crawley eager to get on the front foot. That's it, glorious on drive. Beats the fielder. Oh, it's wild. When chasing it, he's squeezed it away. But it's not without risk. No, and when that man's in the gully, that's almost as good as it gets. But that's beautiful. Oof. Died here, cover, but he's got through. English, he might have hurt himself there, it's gone for 4. Oh dear, but they get away with it. A flash, it's over the slips. And instead of another worrying moment for England, it's 4 more. That's caught, and that's out. Ollie Park, led off a moment ago. But he's caught ball, Nisa. England, 2 down from 90 now. Had a ridiculous hat on earlier, so who knows? Oh no, again. Another caught ball, and once more it's Nisa, and this time it's Crawley who has to go. England 3 down, and this test match takes another direction in favour of Australia. I've got first 4. Oh no. No. They're thinking about this. Again, not required. 4 on the leg side, but it's been a hard attack. Oh, that's carried away by Root again, soft hands. And it races away the deficit now 72. And I suppose alongside Ben Stokes, he's also done special things against. Oh well, the ball was jagged and jumped on. See, he's come around the wicket straight away, almost the first time in his series. Root keen, Brooke less so. Yeah, found the gap, Roots. That's kept really low again. And they're surprised. Harry. Good bat and ball, good angle on it, and it races away for Harry Brooke. Back on the square. Yeah, the key. Well, that's cut back on him. Boland likes the look of it. Did you hold it off in back as I'm sorry? Thank you, I'll go back to the second on film. Second, you can see with it. Oh, savage start, I think we've got it. Rich going nowhere for now. Kerry seems convinced, has been argued. Kerry's confidence, well justified. A hammer blow to England. Rich has gone, caught behind off Stark, who is having the most. Squared up a little, Ben Stokes, but. So it must be hard for cricket traditionalists in England to see all this, these shot selections and what. Oh, what a leg counter. Didn't hear it. Wow, they would do that. This step on miles. But what a leg counter it was. It sounded good, looked good. There's a big gap between bat and pad. This up while I'm white, but I'm about to let it. Oh, this is different. This is different. And that, they top of it. We go it up. Can they help? Actually, not even below. 5 down, England. They still trail by 54. Yep, the second time that Boland's had Harry Brooke in the set. It's down the wicket. Pitch out. Pitch out. Well, it seemed back. Maybe going down the leg side. Dean Smith. He makes a position for night. Down the wicket, Jamie Smith. Get out. Fantastic over there for Bugsy Green. Resolute in defence so far. It's an uncanny ability Boland to skip. That's an upper touch. The first time Mitchell started just good on a straight line and the captain gets switched on. Ball was a touch on it. Here it is in 4 notch, just 4 buys. Perry unable to get across in that. Stop that one, so it's a nice addition to the tone for England. Trail by 31. That's beautiful. Glorious from Ben Stokes. Stokes tries something different, stepped away. Oh, he's hammered straight down the ground where there is no fielder, so poor old Dog left to chase after his own ball. Well, you've never seen that before. Come back to 3 to finish the over. The deficit continues to be whittled away down to 10 now, 6-1-6-7. And inside each other, more one Stokes. And a 6 deficit. Edged. Oh, just over the top. Well, if he can't reach it, no one can. For the Australians, 4th innings. That's classic. Statement from Blue Jats. It's right, 200 now, England. Oh, 이거 스타트가 있어? 지나시네. Well, time different smack. Three swing, 2 is it. Incredible. Rejects. We're getting in this one's doing high catch. 224. Well, that is the 50th time that he's passed that mark of test matches. So, reminds us of hanging without a battle. It's a lot of hard work and so some of that today. Yeah, that's it. He's gone. The captain's gone. Lisa's done it. Towels are up to be calculated. The anger on starts his casinos. There it is. Strike to him. Second catch for the skipper. That's an easy mark. It's verse 3. One to get. The latest 54. Bad out in the chest. Yeah. 4. And he runs. Oh, there it is. Red catch. He cannot go off with miss anything. Lisa gets fired. Leave him over. Fantastic come up and Mason will hold that ball to the crowd. And he's got fighter at the Gabba. He really trying to knock himself wide down the weak side. That won't help it swung late. 4. That's not starting the grasser. 4. Beautifully timed by Weatherall. Marsha sits up after it. Possible shot. It's comes to the ground so nicely, Joffa Archer. Yep. Good timing again from here. It's the easy one offside. Chase. The Jack's 2 cuts this. Good time for the head. The Australians are in a hurry. The inside edge. Runs away down the fence. Will frustrate Archer. Whip for Travis here. Sweetly timed. Over a lot. When head gets in one of his moves, Gabba's just fire. Bowling and hit plays on Atkinson breaks through. And some late joy for England. Travis has gone 22 off 22. 1 for 37. Oh, gets him. So Atkinson takes 2 and knocks out a large shame. Similar delivery in England. Getting some late joy and landing a few blows. Oh, Steve Smith, he's in a bit of a hurry. Well, the length of his arc has tucked it away for a bit quicker. 5,000 Ashes runs throughout some of the lanes on the edge. He was a third man in favour, I guess. Smith figures if he gets a touch on it. There's a bit of a chat too between Smith and Archer. Holding the ball fast to Steve Smith, and he did, and he sent him to the rope. Nice position, around the head. Eye to eye, Archer and Smith are still going. And easy takes it on, Stephen Smith. Please the light, what an answer. By Smith. Looks at Archer and sends him over the rope. Archer can't look at him. Oh, great shot. Up bar. Beautiful punch down the ground. And sticking off quickly now. Smith takes it on. Can he win it when it shifts? Smashes it away. Umpire raises his hands. He's pumped the captain. Clears the rope to win the test match. Australia, they're going in.